Hi, welcome back. The next section that we want to consider in our project timeline is design. You may have a design-based product, or you may have a product which doesn't have anything related to design. But however, if you just need to design a flyer, an email, everything that you could ever think about in a project, if there is one section, one functionality which has any little tiny piece of design, go ahead and write the design related actions, which is draft the design, get it approved, and publish it. So if you have a product which is mainly based on design, then you may have most of the actions here. But remember, we also have future section when it comes to work. Okay, then go ahead and write in 3 minutes all the actions related to design that you have in your project. See you in 3 minutes. On design, if you know exactly what are your components for design, go ahead and write them. You can mute me, but if you want to listen to more details, leave the sound on. What I'm doing over here, you will see that I'm taking each component and I'm adding the design action. Almost all the sections, almost all the functionalities that I deliver with my mobile application will have a design part. Even though it's a logo, even though it's a button that has to be designed, or how the elements are fitting all together. So you can put this design part in absolutely all your functionalities and you are not going to be wrong about it. But what happens if you have a project about making a class? Now my class about apples. Then your design may be some handouts that you want to give to your students, or maybe you want to make a tree, like literally a 3D tree that you are going to bring it to your class and you are going to hang some apples on it, and that will going to give a more of a sense of reality about what's the apple, for your students. Or you may want to have paintings or pictures about apples, or you want to draw them on the board. That will be your design related actions in such kind of project. If you are studying for a certification, you may not have that much design, but think about some graphs, some info charts that if you make, they will help you to sentiment and to have your knowledge in a more structured way. Maybe you want to take the information and put it in some a schema that will help you to understand better the flow of the information, what exactly you are studying. If you want to do that, then you have to allocate some time to do this process that is going to help you to study better and to understand better the concepts. So that would be design if you are having a project to prepare for an exam. If you are making a website, of course, that's pretty clear. You are going to have how the website is going to look like, what will be your brand, how do you want to structure your message, and I hope that helps, and I let you wrap up and I'll see you later. Good, 3 minutes are up. Let's go to the next lecture.